Vic Cozart here with Big Daddy's Motor Cars. We are elite Mustang builders, matching our design to our customers' desires. Our company is laser focused on 60s classics. We have a service department, but the majority of our work consists of modernizing classic Mustangs for safety, security, performance, and comfort. I'm excited to share with you today a great product offering we have available for hobbyists and builders of classic 1964 to 1970 Ford Mustangs. The roller shells, high quality, American built classic Ford Mustang body shell packages with modern suspension, steering, and brakes installed. These roller shells are ready for installation of the drive assembly, interior, paint, and trim. Your car, your way, hardly gets any better than that. Everyone knows a great build starts with a solid foundation. The body is the single most important part of the car. You can spend a lot of time, effort, and money trying to straighten and repair a bent or rusty old car. The inventory of the 60s Mustangs fastback has been depleted to the point now that it's impossible to find a worthy donor that won't break the bank getting the body restored. The chances of finding a rust-free fastback that's never been wrecked for a reasonable price will be next to impossible. If that's not bad enough, the internet is slammed with what we've come to know as pigs with tuxedos on them. Car flippers find beat up, rusted out old dogs, patch them together, bond them up, give them a Kerma Peel paint job, and list them on the internet hoping you buy them sight unseen. Our service department sees these regularly. The stories are sad. Don't cut corners on the foundation of your project, and you will have an enjoyable experience and a solid car that will hold its value for a very long time. The 60s vintage Ford Mustangs are unibodies in design, therefore they lack the solid framework for building a modern performance vehicle. We take the Ford Mustang unibody shell and strengthen it from the front suspension cradle to the rear frame rails by welding in subframe support during the shell manufacturing process. Essentially, we're building a full-frame car. Every shell we use is built in the United States by Americans, and all of our shells are built to Ford's factory specifications for the year and the model of the car. The body is just one component of the build process. There is suspension, steering, and braking needed to build a solid platform. Many hobbyists and builders want to expedite their car building process and get behind the wheel of their car sooner. The roller shells do exactly that. We put together a complete rolling chassis with modern suspension, steering, and brakes to deliver safety and performance. The hard work's done. This product gets you on the road driving and enjoying your ride much sooner than traditional paths. Here's our offering. The roller shells are brand new. All the body parts are fitted and gapped. We include what others see as options. The doors, the fenders, the hood and the trunk lid have the hinges. You get the headlight buckets, the rear tail pieces, and both the front and rear valances. You can have the shock towers in or out. The chassis is a full independent front suspension with the subframe assembly integrated into the build of the brand new body shell. We use top-of-line suspension products as well as well-known steering components. If you want to make lightning quick progress on your classic Ford Mustang build, the roller shell is the right answer. Big Daddy's Motor Cars offers a plethora of options. We build to where you say stop. You can add tubbing. You can smooth out the motor compartment. You can put a body kit on it. You can get it wired. Whatever you want, you tell us where to stop. Our business is designed to build your car your way and to get you behind the driver's seat as quickly as possible. For additional information, contact us at 408-779-9876 or at BigDaddy'sMotorCars.com. We appreciate your time and we look forward to hearing from you.